Hello everyone, and welcome back to another installment of Wolin Design Group's presented DaVinci Unified training videos. Today we'll be talking about kit inventory. For this lesson, we will show you where to locate and manage your kit inventory. Before we continue, be sure to check out some of these previous videos. To begin our lesson, we begin by moving from the dashboard to Warehouse, and it is there where we will find kit inventory. As we select kit inventory, you will notice its similarities to the item inventory page. Search the account and find your available kits in inventory. And just like item inventory, you can double-click a selection to view the inventory detail. But this time, it is the details for a kit rather than an item. Here in the inventory detail, you will notice it is almost identical to the inventory detail screen shown from the item inventory. However, there are some slight differences. Highlight a line to activate the toolbar and you will see some familiar tools. First we have Inventory Adjust, but next to this we have Build Kit, which is a shortcut tool that allows raw materials from the same location and LPN to be assembled. Next to that we have Break Kit, which pulls items off of a kit and puts them in item inventory in the same locations as separate items. We will touch on these new features in upcoming lessons. Following that, we have the familiar Relocate button, along with Change Status and Allocation details. One last thing I'd like to mention about kit inventory. As similar as it may be to item inventory, their available inventories are still considered two separate, meaning that all materials used and assembled within kits will only be displayed and manageable within a kit in the kit inventory, and will be removed from item inventory, no longer counted in this inventory, yet still available in a kit. That's all for our lesson today in kit inventory. Be sure to check back with us for more videos on how to use DaVinci Unified. Here are some videos to look out for coming up soon. And if you have further questions or would like to set up a training session, feel free to contact our support. Or check out our detailed documentation online. Thanks for watching.